Yeah, that's something like more like politics, and then, but
Yeah, you
in
can say.
reality, if you know maximum languages, that would be good. Even I know English, I know Hindi, I know Bhojpuri, I know
Yeah,
Marathi, I know Gujarati, I can speak little bit of Bengali, I can
multi language.
understand very well Punjabi, but I feel to know maximum languages, and I do believe if you know any kind of languages, that is going to benefit you, because if you have to connect with someone, if you know their own mother tongue, so trust me, it would be help you a lot. Sometime something if you can't do with English, the same thing you can do if you know the person's native language, so that would connect you very fast, and that would help you to learn the things. And also miss whatever knowledge you have, because sometimes you say no, you have to speak in Chhattisgarhi, so that might be possible that some work which you couldn't do from English, the same thing you can do from Chhattisgarhi. So all languages are having their own importance, but yeah, of course, English is on top of the everyone right now, I can say.
Yeah, that's globally accepted, right? Okay.
That's globally accepted. And if you know that language, you feel one kind of confidence in yourself, because you feel that you have some kind of quality with you. And this is my own thinking, I don't know, because suppose if you know English and if you're not speaking, that's okay, people would appreciate, no. And if you're not speaking because you don't know, that means you are lacking something.
That's right. Okay, now let's give her a little bit chance. Arundhati, would you like?
Yeah. So, hello, Vinay sir. I'm Arundhati Roktama, and I'm in sixth standard in Delhi Public School, Bhilai. I'm from Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
and I'm 11 years old, and I love reading books, painting, music, and dancing. I love them. These are my hobbies as well, and I want to learn English. And recently, I have started learning Spanish as well.
Oh, that's great. And I can say you're sounding very well. The way
Oh,
you are
thanks.
speaking absolutely like
It's
I have seen lots of kids
hmm,
those speak like that, but that I have seen overseas. But in my known, I think you sound very well, and the way you pronounce things and the way you say it is excellent. Miss, you have very good English, I can say.
she's a daughter of Zoya.
Thanks,
That's what.
Vanessa.
Oh, okay.
And she is my daughter.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Okay. Okay.
She is
Okay. Yeah.
really a,
Yeah.
a great lady. She always,
Okay.
yeah, she's
Yeah. Yeah.
really great.
Yeah. Yeah. Because
Still, she
yeah,
has
I get.
got a job and she is great. She has great life, but still she wanna improve and she is making her daughter as well. And her
That's
dream is
true.
becoming like
No.
IAS.
Join together because we want to give company to each other. Therefore, we join together.
No. No. That's great, I can say, because this is a we all are student, and if we think that we don't know anything, that's a good quality, I can say. If you think that you know everything, the moment you will think, you will stop learning. And if you think that you don't know, you have to learn something, that means you are growing, you are already on your journey, you have not reached your goal. And that's best thing I can say. If you are learning something, and this quality you are transferring to your kid, even that's the biggest gift you are giving something to her, because this will help her to grow in your absence also.
Yeah,
You know, I want to say something, Ashish.
go ahead.
My mother, she's 70 years old and she lives with me. And you know, I have put her also in English because definitely she's an old lady from old age, so she doesn't know English. So I have given many grammatical books like small grammar and tense and all these things. And she has been learning English for last 1 year and she is learning. And we both try to speak with her in English and
Great.
she is literally enjoying because she doesn't have, she's alone at home because we are in office all the time, she's free, so you can't believe whenever you just go to home and see her, she's on YouTube and surfing something in English and watching drama and YouTube stories, small English stories. So she is also learning in age of 70.
Oh, that's wonderful. Is she your
Yeah,
mother?
yeah, my mother.